Welcome to the Cove at Atlantis, the crown jewel of Paradise Island. This is the resort tower where celebrities stay when they want to come to the Bahamas, known for luxury, privacy, and exclusivity. If you're searching for an in-depth cove tour, you're in the right place. Let's step inside. Let's first take a look at the amazing suites this place has to offer. First up is the Sapphire Suite. This suite is about modern luxury, with floor-to-ceiling windows that pull the beautiful blue ocean right into your living space. From the private balcony, you get panoramic views that make this one of the most requested suites at the Cove. The Azure Suite at the Cove Atlantis. This one is perfect for families or longer stays. With the extra room to spread out, you've got a spacious sitting area, a beautiful designed bedroom, and of course, those endless ocean views. It's upscale yet welcoming, ideal for travelers who want both elegance and comfort. Here is the Lapis Deluxe Ocean Suite, a refined option that combines elegance with breathtaking views of Paradise Island. Whether you're catching the sunrise with a coffee or a sunset with a cocktail, this suite is all about creating unforgettable memories. But honestly, it doesn't matter what room you pick at the Cove. All 600 rooms are facing the ocean. If you're wondering if the Cove is worth it, here's one of the biggest reasons why: club level suites. Each one includes access to the exclusive club lounge and your own butler. From arranging dinner reservations to unpacking your luggage, they're there to take care of every detail. And the lounge itself, daily gourmet bites, cocktails, and floor-to-ceiling ocean views. At the Cove, you have access to the adults-only pool. It feels more like a private Miami Beach club than a resort pool. Chic cabanas, a lively but upscale atmosphere, and of course, that signature Atlantis energy. Dining at the Cove is exceptional. From celebrity chef restaurants like Fish by Jose Andre to casual rooftop cocktails, you'll find options in every mood. There's also luxury shopping, access to a full fitness center, and one of the most unique perks, a private casino just for Cove guests. And yes, you can even rent it out for a private event if you want the ultimate VIP experience. And remember, staying at the Cove doesn't mean you're just limited to the one tower. You get full access to the entire Atlantis Resort, including the world-famous water park, Dolphin Key, and over 20 restaurants in the other buildings. It's the best of both worlds, luxury and exclusivity, with all the fun of Atlantis just steps away. If a luxurious escape like this one is on your list, I'd love to help plan it for you. I work directly with Atlantis and have a great relationship with their team, which means I can help you book the perfect suite, unlock perks, and make your vacation stress-free. Reach out when you're ready. So, is the Cove at Atlantis worth it? For luxury travelers, couples, and families who want upscale accommodations with the excitement of Atlantis, the answer is absolutely yes. This is more than just a vacation, it's an experience. If you'd like a closer look at everything Atlantis has to offer, I filmed a full resort tour and water park tour where I walk you through everything from the beaches, dining, and more. I'll link it here at the bottom in the description. Thank you so much for watching this tour. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. It really helps me bring luxury resort tours and insider travel tips to you all. And just like that, another journey closes. I hope the next one brings you closer to your extraordinary vacation.